7 foods you must never eat, and why most people have no idea. You think you're eating healthy, but some of the foods most people consume every single day, foods considered normal, even nutritious, are quietly doing serious damage. Today I'm giving you 7 foods to eliminate immediately. Some of these will surprise you. Number 1, orange juice. This one shocks people. Orange juice is pasteurized, meaning it's cooked at high heat before it ever reaches you. That heat destroys the enzymes, it destroys most of the vitamin C, it destroys the nutritional value that made orange juice seem healthy in the first place. What's left? Sugar water. Your blood sugar spikes, insulin surges, you crash, and you got almost nothing nutritionally valuable in return. If you want vitamin C, eat the whole fruit, or better yet, eat leafy greens. Skip the juice entirely. Number 2, soy protein isolates. Start reading ingredient labels because this one is hiding everywhere. Protein shakes, vegetarian burgers, weight loss meal replacements. Countless products are built on soy protein isolate. Here's the problem. Soy protein isolate is not a natural human food. It's not fermented, it's heavily processed, and it places significant stress on the liver. Traditional cultures that consume soy ate it fermented, miso, tempeh, natto. That fermentation process makes it digestible and reduces its harmful compounds. Soy protein isolate skips all of that. If you see it in the ingredients, put it back. Number 3, high fructose corn syrup. Most people already know this one is bad, but most people have no idea how many products contain it. Sodas, energy drinks, salad dressings, condiments, bread, yogurt. It's used as a cheap filler and flavor enhancer, and it's one of the most metabolically damaging sweeteners available. It bypasses normal glucose metabolism and goes directly to your liver, contributing to fatty liver, insulin resistance, and obesity at a rate even regular sugar doesn't match. Read every label. If it's in there, find an alternative. Number 4, commercial meats with nitrates. Bacon, sausage, deli meats, hot dogs. If they're conventional and commercially produced, they almost certainly contain nitrates. Nitrates are preservatives linked in multiple studies to increase cancer risk. The fix is simple. Look for nitrate-free on the label. Choose grass-fed, pasture-raised, hormone-free meats. These exist at most grocery stores now. You just have to look for them. Don't give up bacon. Just upgrade it. Number 5, commercial milk. Conventional commercial milk contains a synthetic growth hormone called RBST, recombinant bovine somatotropin. This hormone has documented negative effects on human health, and it's in the standard milk most families pour over cereal every morning. If you consume dairy, make it organic or at minimum hormone-free. The label will say it clearly. This is one of the simplest swaps you can make. Same product, dramatically cleaner source. Number 6, TV dinners and frozen processed meals. I grew up on these. Pot pies, frozen dinners, microwave meals. Here's why they're so damaging. And it's not just the poor ingredients. These meals combine protein, starch, and sugar all in one package. That combination creates a massive compounded insulin spike. The crust, the meat, the gravy, the starch, the dessert compartment, all hitting your bloodstream simultaneously. Add to that the preservatives, artificial flavors, seed oils, and sodium, and you have one of the most metabolically destructive meals available. The convenience is not worth it. Number 7, imported fruit from certain countries. This one is the most alarming and the least talked about. When you buy berries or fruit labeled as coming from Mexico, Chile, or certain other countries, there is a real possibility that DDT was used in growing them. DDT was banned in the United States in 1972, but it was never banned from being manufactured and sold to other countries. And here's the disturbing part. We then import food grown with that DDT back into our grocery stores. Studies show measurable DDT exposure in children traced directly back to imported produce. When buying fruit and berries, choose domestic and organic whenever possible. Know where your food is coming from. You're 7 to eliminate starting today. Orange juice. It's sugar water with destroyed nutrition. Soy protein isolates. Unfermented, unnatural, liver stressing. High fructose corn syrup, hidden in far more products than you realize. Commercial meats with nitrates, linked to cancer, easy to avoid. Conventional commercial milk, choose organic or hormone-free. TB dinners and frozen processed meals, a perfect storm of insulin-spiking ingredients. Imported fruit from countries that use DDT. Know your source. None of these require you to give up the foods you love. They just require you to be smarter about where those foods come from and how they're made. Read labels, ask questions, choose better sources. Your body is processing everything you put into it. Make sure what you're giving it is actually worth processing.